Hello, Jane Cleland here. When is it appropriate to use first-person point of view? Whenever you want your reader to have an intimate relationship with a character, that's a good clue that you want the first person. But there are two specific situations I will mention. One is in traditional mysteries, where they're fair play mysteries, and you want your reader to see what the sleuth sees at the same time the sleuth sees it. So they can be trying to solve the crime, solve the case along with the sleuth. The second example is with an unreliable narrator in all genres. Unreliable narrators are easier to implement in the first person because the first person is only revealing what they want the reader to know at that moment. There are other times where you just want that familiarity, that relatability, and where you don't expect to want multiple points of view. You don't need that wider lens that comes from the omniscient point of view, third person omniscient. First person is also easier for some authors to write. It's their natural voice. Experiment with it. See whether it works for you. I know you can do it. If this tip had value, would you do something for me? Would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? Get a YouTube shorty every week. And it opens up features for us that help us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thanks so much.